Okay, so what exactly is an iterator in Java? Think of it like a cursor or a pointer that walks through your collection one step at a time. Instead of grabbing all elements at once, it lets you check, hey, do we still have something left? And then move it. We usually use an iterator when we want to traverse collection like a list, a set, or even a map through its entry set. Now, the iterator has three main tricks up its sleeves: hasNext, next, and remove. hasNext, this is like asking, do we have another element left to visit? It returns true or false. Then is the next method. Now, if yes, then we call next. It actually moves the cursor forward and hands us the element. Then comes the remove. This one is special. It safely removes the element just you visited. Now here comes the cool part. Normally, if you try to remove elements directly while looping with a for each loop, Java gets angry and throws something called ConcurrentModificationException. But with an iterator's remove method, it's safe, no exception, no drama. Now let's see the coding part for it for better understanding. Let's make some changes in the TreeMap code itself to understand iterator better. So we will just make few changes. Here we will paste our import statement for iterators, and then let's make some changes in the main method too. We learned that TreeMap will sort them by keys automatically. Now comes the iterator part with line 17. Now the line number 17, iterator angle bracket map dot entry integer comma string, then id equal to student data dot entry set dot iterator. What does this mean? This is the iterator part. We are taking our student data map and call it as dot entry set on it. That basically gives us all the key value pairs in the set. Then we call dot iterator to get an iterator so we can move through those pairs one by one. Then we have our while loop. While has it dot hasNext method. This line means that as long as there is another entry left in the tree map, it will keep looping. Then I have written map.entry integer comma string, then entry equal to it.next. What does this mean? Here we are actually grab the next key value pair. The entry object will hold both the key and the value. And finally, we have our print statement. That is printing out all the roll numbers and the student name we want to fetch. With entry.getKey will fetch all the roll numbers and entry.getValue will fetch all the names. So let's run the code and see the output. And you can see the entry got printed as 101 Rahul, 102 Neha and 103 as Amit. Now after that we closed our loop and this is the simple, clean and sorted thanks to TreeMap and Iterator. Alright, so that's how we use TreeMap with an Iterator. Now before we wrap up, here is a quick question for you. If I insert keys into a tree map in completely random order, will the output still be sorted when I iterate? Drop your answers in the comment. I would love to see how many of you catch this detail. The smarter way to learn programming with tutorials and coding exercises. Here is the home page. From here, let's head straight to the coding exercises. And now you can see for Java, chapter wise and topic wise exercise question for you all. So if you are preparing for any type of interviews or learning or want to sharpen your concept, Quipoin has it all in one place. Do visit quipoin.com today, explore the exercises and start practicing to level up your skills. Now, tomorrow we will be diving into something that connects primitive types and objects in Java. Yes, I'm talking about wrapper classes, autoboxing and unboxing. Trust me, you will see how Java smartly converts int and integer, double and so on. So, stay tuned because once you get this, a lot of Java collection and frameworks will suddenly make more sense. So, see you soon.